In this example, we're going to try and simplify this linear expression. We've got 2 times 3x minus 5 plus 6 times x minus 2 plus 8. So I guess the first thing we have to do is be able to recognize where there's multiplication and where there's addition. So we have multiplication whenever we have a number written immediately in front of parentheses. So there and here again. Okay, so we're going to take care of those two multiplications first. So we'll distribute the 2 into the 3x into the negative 5, and we'll distribute the plus 6 into the x and into the negative 2. Okay, the plus 8 out here on its own isn't immediately against the parentheses, so it's not going to be involved in the multiplication step. Okay, so 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So that's the first piece done. Then we move over here. Plus 6 times x is plus 6x, and plus 6 by negative 2 is minus 12. And then we have this plus 8. We're just going to bring it down. It wasn't involved earlier, so we just bring it down. Okay, and now we look for like terms. So we have the x's. Here's a 6x, and here's another x term, plus 6x. The numbers are also like each other, so we'll take care of those separately. So we have 6x plus 6x is 12x, and then we have negative 10 and negative 12 and plus 8. Well, negative 10 and negative 12, they have the same sign, so that's negative 22 plus 8. So negative 22 plus 8 have different signs, so we subtract 8 from 22 is 14, and it was the biggest. The negative 22 is bigger than the 8, so we keep the sign of the bigger number, which is negative 14. So 12x minus 14 is your answer. Okay.